Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a lovely starter recipe for you, which is crispy vegetables. Now, who has not gone to their favorite Chinese restaurant and not tried a lovely portion of crispy vegetables? Nobody, right? Everybody loves crispy vegetables. Today I'm going to do them with some honey and a lot of chilies for that lovely fragrant flavor. So let's start making crispy vegetables with honey and chili. For that, I'm going to use a bowl and we're going to make a little batter first to help our vegetables just stick to the coating very well. I'm going to use some refined flour, some potato starch. Potato starch is available at some stores. If you don't get potato starch, just go ahead and use only corn flour. I'm using a mixture of corn flour and potato starch because potato starch helps make the vegetables very, very crisp. A little bit of black pepper powder, some salt, and just about maybe 1/4 to half a teaspoon of baking powder. Just going to add a little bit of water and we'll just whisk this all together. If you see, I have added very little water at the beginning because that's the right way of making a batter. Whenever you're making a batter, add water little by little to ensure that you don't have any lumps in your batter. Now in another bowl, we'll start preparing our vegetables. I'm going to be using some asparagus, some zucchini that I've cut into slices, some broccoli florets, some mushrooms, babycorn, and some carrots. We are going to season it with some salt, some black pepper, and now we are going to take the batter that we had prepared and just put enough to bind the vegetables lightly. The batter over here will act like a holding glue for the corn flour and the potato flour that we're going to dust in the vegetables later on. This is not like a pakoda. We want a very light coating over here. And just mix it gently. I'm going to use a little bit more. And now we're going to dust our vegetables, which we have mixed in the batter, with some potato flour and some corn flour. Like I said earlier, the potato flour makes the vegetables really crisp, but if you do not get potato starch or potato flour, you can go right ahead and use only corn flour. It's fine. As you can see now, our vegetables have got a nice light coating of the batter and the flour, but you can still see the vegetables. That is what you want at the end. You do not want a very thick covering of batter because you want that lovely crunch and the flavor of the vegetables also. I have heated some oil now. I'm just going to quickly add my vegetables to the oil. We need the oil to be quite hot at this point of time, so be careful when you're dropping the vegetables inside it. Our vegetables are frying well now. We will start making the sauce. This sauce will cook very, very quickly in about 3 to 5 minutes. If you ever wondered while eating this dish at a restaurant as to how they make it so fast yet have it so crunchy, that's because two people work at the same time. One chef fries the vegetables and one chef makes the sauce. We don't have the luxury over here, and I'm sure you don't have that at home as well. So we will start making the sauce simultaneously. We'll take some garlic. Now we shall add some chili paste. We'll let the chili paste saute on a nice medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes so it does not taste raw and very sharp in our dish. Now we'll add some celery, which I have chopped very finely. Now we'll add our honey, which will give that lovely, sweet, sticky consistency to our sauce. Now let's season it with a little bit of salt. Very little. Remember, our vegetables also have salt and pepper in them, so not too much. Now our vegetables are almost done. It's time to quickly taste the sauce before we put the vegetables in the sauce. A little pinch of salt. And we will add the vegetables directly to our sauce. Be careful to drain out as much of the oil as possible. And we will quickly toss the vegetables. Can you hear the crunch in the wok? That tells me that my vegetables have been cooked just perfectly. And it's time to plate the dish now. We shall now garnish this with some chopped spring onions. So there it is, crispy vegetables with some honey and chili, with just the right amount of sweetness and a little bit of kick from our chili paste. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please hit like and subscribe to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana.